Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Blessed Sunday, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla there again, is it? I hope that everyone alright. I hope that everyone have a good Sunday. Is it? Yeah, man, big up and respect, you know? Alright, so I have a few videos I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I would like you to tell me what you think about these videos as well. You know? Yeah, man. So let's get started. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't know when the video will be recorded. The video shows a man laying on the ground and saying murder, murder in the presence of police officers from within the country of Jamaica. I mean, even a part of the video shows when the man got up from off the ground and keeps saying murder, murder while in the presence of police officers. And when I said ground, viewers and subscribers, I mean that the man was laying in the middle of the road somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. So my people, would I like to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Tell me why you think that this man was behaving this way, viewers and subscribers. Tell me why. Observe and tell me what you think. So I thought, watch it. I wrote the man there.
Catch this by WhatsApp and everything like murder! Murder!
It's an excitement. This is when you create.
Let me dead got some video. Let me dead got some video cousin. Murder!
Sign this.
Let me done the call her. Send that video there. You can't burn on my phone to delete nothing. Murder! Flag grave! And this is the boat part of the video, alright? Murder! 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 Murder!
Oh, excitement. I call them for the police there. Yo, just no, this is a joke thing here, but mental health, you know, man.
We not vehicle
That's simple gun pan him.
What you want to do, brother? People have been there. Murder. You have to murder. Murder.
People, it's a mental health. I'm not a joke thing. Mental health, I'm a joke thing with people. See? But John was star. What make that the man there behave so I can't tell. Straight up and down, I can't tell. Even though I don't know what happened after the video start recording, and I don't know what happened before the video start recording, but if those police officers did not arrest, nor did not even touch that man at all, big them up. Because, on a real, that man's behavior, in my point of view, seems odd. Yeah, it seems odd. It seems odd. I don't know if I tell you. Something right in there, some people. Jano. See, but I don't know what happened before and after the video we recorded. So, can't jump to too much of a conclusion. But you can let me know what you think, my people. But anyways, now I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between citizens from within the country of Jamaica and the police officers from within the country that is known as Jamaica. The confrontation escalated to a point where at least one police officer hit a person. Now some persons might call that an altercation, viewers and subscribers. See? The video shows when at least one police officer sprayed pepper spray in the direction of persons who was at that location during the confrontation. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And yes, I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Now, before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting, and in the video, you can hear harsh language. So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe.
Come in, people. Can't trust police in a Central Kingston. People don't know what I'm going to do this. They're not catching our video fabulous.
Look, when the police vehicle put an understanding as to which area this video is recorded, you know? Yeah, man, I mean, if you look at the video properly, you might get a good understanding as to which area the video is recorded. I mean, even if you look at those police vehicles, you can see some words on those police vehicles as well. But I don't really know my people still. See? Quite a number of videos I see on social media that shows some hostile situations between police officers and civilians from within the country of Jamaica. You see me I say? What started that confrontation which led to somewhat of an altercation, I don't know. Like, unreal, I don't know. This is just one of those videos that have been posted on social media without certain information about the situation. Like, unreal. I tell you the truth, people. See me I say, but this video has been talked about on social media by people. You know, so let me know what you think. You know, let me know what you think. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that has been posted on social media. I do not know exactly where and when the video has been recorded. The video shows a motor vehicle that went off the road and landed in someone's yard. The video shows a motor vehicle on its top with wheels off the ground. And in the video, you can hear a man talking about the driver for that motor vehicle that somehow went off the road and landed in someone's yard. And I'm talking about the motor vehicle that you can see in the video on its top, you see? And based on some things that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that no one died as a result of that motor vehicle accident. See? But anyways, my people, more you listen carefully to some things that the man said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. See? And you can also hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Tell me what you think.
Okay, so you shouldn't come on yourself. As long as you live on a driver, man, if you examine a meeting, say, who the drives a car, disqualifying license. A plan wrong, man. A plan yam to blood clot. I suppose some people fit in on I used to do a whole heap of it, you know, this is still. But for nobody know that. Give thanks for life. Yeah.
True.
Nobody know that. Give thanks for life. But the man you are driving can't drive. Guy know the light post.
Style.
Blood clot. When you don't lick light post, you are gold. Yeah, man. We don't lick light post. Can any man lick light post, he got not win. Yes. They make a jam. It's a man king cap, you know.
Hey, Jamaica people don't ramp with the language, you know. Man say a jam and kin cap. Kin cap. But big him up still. Me understand his concern. You see what I say? But can you imagine the people? You're in your yard and then something like that happen? A car just go off the road and just land in your yard just so. I tell you. Enough time, you know, I really and truly think about certain houses I see built on main roads within the country of Jamaica. You know. Yeah, man, and some of the houses I see built below the road level and all them things there. With all of them big unit vehicles where I drive on all them road. So, enough time I think about them things there. But a jar guide, as how some people might say, and some people say, I got a guide with. See? Yeah, man, everybody have their own religion or their own belief, so I big them up still. So I know my own. Yeah, but I really love people. Let me know what you think about the things that the man said in that video. I think I have some going to leave it to do. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, you see it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.